for Chiang Mai. Let's keep this simple. What do you actually need to worry about, and what can you safely ignore? Whether you're here for 2 weeks or thinking about retiring, Chiang Mai is generally safe and easy, but a few simple decisions can make a big difference. Before you leave home, have a quick chat with your doctor, especially if you have any ongoing conditions. Bring enough medication for your trip and always keep it in your hand luggage, not checked in. It's also smart to carry a simple list of your medications and any medical conditions. Your phone is fine, no need for anything more complicated. Don't overpack medicines. Pharmacies in Chiang Mai are everywhere and very good. Bring what you rely on, but things like mosquito repellent, basic pain relief, and toiletries are often easier and cheaper to buy when you arrive. Just be aware some medicines don't like heat, and a few may need refrigeration. Most visitors are absolutely fine, but a few things can catch people out. The sun is stronger than you might expect, so use protection. Mosquitoes are common, especially outside the city, and they can carry illnesses like dengue, so it's worth using repellent. And yes, you might get an upset stomach at some point. Stick to bottled water, use common sense with food, and don't worry too much. Street food is usually safe. Ice in established cafes and restaurants is generally safe as well. At certain times of year, air quality can be poor, so if you have respiratory concerns, it's worth checking a local air quality app. This is the big one. Get proper travel insurance before you arrive. Motorbike accidents are one of the most common problems here, so if you're thinking of renting one, be careful and make sure you're covered. Private hospitals are excellent, with English-speaking doctors, but they are not cheap. And you'll usually need to pay up front, often by cash or credit card. For emergencies, call 1669 for an ambulance. That said, in many situations, it's often quicker to go directly to a hospital yourself. Places like Bangkok Hospital Chiang Mai or Chiang Mai Ram Hospital are well set up for international visitors. Pharmacies are easy to find and very helpful. Many medications are available without a prescription. For more serious care, both public and private hospitals are available, with international hospitals offering very high standards. Chiang Mai is a great place to visit and an easy place to stay healthy. A bit of preparation, a bit of common sense, and you'll be just fine.
First, a quick thank you to Dr. Nubdow. She's just shared some very practical advice on staying healthy here in Chiang Mai. My part in this particular video is a little different to the usual. I've created 4 simple health and wellness posters you can pause and screenshot or download. Each one focuses on something useful you can come back to later. 1. Essential first aid kit checklist for everyday emergencies and minor injuries, at home or while travelling. 2. Essential health numbers and medical guidelines for monitoring your day-to-day well-being. 3. What to eat when you don't feel well. Simple, soothing foods that can help your body recover more quickly. 4. And simple body hacks for everyday health. Practical tips and tricks that don't always get mentioned. These are based on widely shared health advice and general medical guidance. They're not perfect, but they are practical and designed to be useful in everyday life. If you find them helpful, just pause the video and save them for later. And yes, please, the usual YouTube reminders apply. Click those buttons. And if you happen to pick up one of my books on Amazon, even better. Most importantly, take care of yourself, family and friends while you're here in Chiang Mai. And finally, modern health advice. Drink water, walk daily, and try not to read the news. Have fun.